Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to stop Facebook sharing your profile picture update. So to start, open Facebook, click your profile in the bottom right corner. So go to your profile. Now once you're here, so click your profile picture, then click select profile picture. Next, choose your new photo from the upload, suggested photos, or your camera roll. So select one. Next, you can restyle it, you can edit it, or you can add frames. Now, if Facebook gives you the option, share your update to feed, turn it off, or uncheck it before saving. So go to the bottom and uncheck share your update to feed. So uncheck that just like so and click save at the top right corner. Then just wait for it to finish updating.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And that's it. You can double check by scrolling down and check if there's a new update. So as you can see, there's none. Now, if you don't see that option, Facebook may automatically create a profile picture update post for your account. So in that case, so again, go to your profile, scroll down and find the post saying you updated your profile picture. Next, click the three dots on the post. Next, select edit privacy and choose only me from the options if it's available, or choose delete post if available and click save. And that's it. So your current Facebook profile picture is generally public even if you prevent the update from being shared as a normal feed post. So the goal here is to stop the profile picture update announcement from appearing in people's feeds. And that's basically it. So that's how you can stop Facebook sharing your profile picture update. Thank you for watching.